Choosing the right patio furniture is the difference between a space you ignore and a sanctuary you never want to leave. Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. Today I'm taking you through a step-by-step guide to finding your perfect outdoor set. Step 1. Measure your space. It sounds simple, but this is where most people go wrong. Measure your total area, but also account for the flow. You need at least 3 feet of walking space around any table. Think about where the sun hits at different times of day and how you'll move between your indoor and outdoor rooms. Step 2. Choose the right material. Your choice determines both the look and the longevity of your investment. Synthetic rattan is excellent for a cozy indoor-outdoor feel. It's durable, but high-quality sets are an investment. Aluminium is my top choice for dining. It's lightweight and won't rust, making it perfect for the British weather. Natural wood like teak is timeless and heavy, great for windy spots, but it does require regular oiling to keep its colour. Step 3. Match your furniture to your lifestyle. Be honest about how you actually use your garden. If you love hosting Sunday roasts or summer breakfasts, prioritise a sturdy, comfortable dining set. If your garden is your place to unwind with a book, a modular lounge set with deep cushions is the way to go. For smaller patios, look for multifunctional pieces like stools that double as side tables or benches with hidden storage. Step 4. Consider weather and durability. In Hampshire, we have to prepare for everything. Look for UV-resistant and mildew-resistant fabrics for your cushions to ensure they stay looking fresh for years. And always plan for storage. Even weatherproof furniture benefits from being covered or stored during the winter months. Finally, step 5. Budget smartly. It's better to buy fewer, higher quality pieces than a full set of cheap furniture. A quality set can last 15 years or more, while cheap sets often need replacing after just 2 or 3. If you're on a budget, consider buying at the end of the season when many premium brands offer significant discounts. My expert tip: don't forget the ambiance. Lighting and rugs can make a budget set look like a luxury retreat. So, measure your space accurately and choose a material that matches your maintenance level. Prioritise your lifestyle, prepare for the weather, and invest in quality where it counts. For a detailed checklist and my top product recommendations, check the full blog post linked in the description. I hope this guide helps you create your perfect sanctuary. Follow me for more gardening and home decor tips. Until next time, happy gardening.